Expert witnesses, unveiling their critical role in motorcycle accident litigation. Motorcycle accidents are not only physically devastating but also legally complex. When these unfortunate events occur, unraveling the intricate details to ascertain liability becomes a pivotal challenge. Herein lies the indispensable role of expert witnesses. The pivotal role of expert witnesses. Expert witnesses stand as vital intermediaries between the labyrinthine world of technicalities and the legal domain. Their extensive expertise offers clarity to judges, juries, and legal practitioners who must grapple with the intricate nuances of motorcycle accidents. More than mere information providers, expert witnesses elucidate, contextualize, and clarify complex data that might otherwise bewilder those not well versed in the subject matter. Furthermore, these witnesses shoulder the responsibility of maintaining objectivity and impartiality in their testimony. Their insights are rooted in factual data, empirical evidence, and their years of hands-on experience. Exploring the array of expert witnesses. Motorcycle accident litigation necessitates the input of an array of expert witnesses, each specializing in a distinct facet of the case. Accident reconstruction specialists meticulously dissect accident scenes, evaluating vehicle positions, skid marks, and impact angles to painstakingly recreate the events leading up to the collision. Medical professionals, including trauma surgeons and orthopedic experts, furnish insights into the severity and nature of injuries sustained. Mechanical engineers scrutinize vehicular components for potential malfunctions, thereby shedding light on potential mechanical failures. Road safety experts provide invaluable assessments of whether traffic regulations were adhered to and if road conditions played a role in the accident. Your Denver motorcycle accident attorneys will evaluate your case and the need for experts to pursue the best possible outcome for your case. Navigating challenges and cross-examination. Despite their invaluable insights, expert witnesses encounter significant challenges. Opposing attorneys subject them to rigorous cross-examination, a process aimed at assessing the veracity of their testimony. Through pointed questioning, opposing counsel seeks to unveil any biases, flaws in methodology, or limitations in understanding. Envisioning the future of expert witnesses. As technology advances and knowledge evolves, the role of expert witnesses will inevitably transform. The integration of cutting-edge tools for accident reconstruction, the utilization of data analytics to dissect accident patterns, and the incorporation of artificial intelligence in assessing liability are just a glimpse of the future. Conclusion. In the realm of motorcycle accident litigation, expert witnesses function as the vital nexus between intricate technicalities and the legal sphere. Their testimony elucidates causative factors, elucidates injury extent, and engenders a deeper comprehension of the circumstances surrounding the accident. As pivotal contributors to the decision-making process, expert witnesses foster a fair and informed adjudication. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Q1. What qualifications are requisite for an expert witness? Expert witnesses are typically distinguished by advanced degrees, extensive professional experience, and relevant certifications in their respective fields. Q2. How do expert witnesses enhance fair outcomes? Expert witnesses provide objective, evidence-based perspectives that facilitate well-informed decisions by judges and juries, ultimately contributing to equitable case resolutions. Q3. Can expert witnesses offer insights into liability? Absolutely, expert witnesses are empowered to offer informed opinions on liability, substantiated by their specialized insights and thorough analysis. Q4. How do accident reconstruction specialists contribute? Accident reconstruction specialists analyze evidence to meticulously recreate the accident sequence, aiding in determining the root causes. Q5. How do expert witnesses counter cross-examination challenges? Expert witnesses counter challenges by maintaining their objectivity, substantiating their methodology, and confidently addressing opposing counsel's inquiries.